Ofenoro wa hame noro yege mi rowa. If where you started, Ebony, you dey underrate time for social media. I wonder how you will take go far. Because now your heart go back you up. Where you will take go far for outside. Now, my people, after I hear from Ahan Association, why they give Ebony suspension, Ebony got no respect for the elder. Ebony said, "Na he and his sister na sing pass for the industry." That means Akobege don't know how to sing. That means Sandra Bogu don't know how to sing. That means OKH don't know how to sing. That means if I know you Gagbe don't know how to sing. You understand? These are the people where you come meet for industry. Where they sing. And you now you never even sing one abono. You understand? Omerina wokan yaku. Owokan ye mwiye yaku. Eye bi yogera yaku. Small pikin fi carry mommy bombi till they play. You know if you carry papa cassava till play. You understand? Okay, my people. Let's assume say now the judgment where the judge say it not fair. My people, I want to put on the other way around. As speaking, we get respect from where it come from. I'm not even talking to Ahan. I'm not referring this one to Ahan say get respect because you don't see Ahan finish. Speaking, we get respect for the same kingdom, the same Edo state. This one are presenters where they fight for everybody and they talk to so. Speaking, we get respect for the same kingdom where he come from. I know they talk to Ahan now. The same Edo state where he come from. The organization where you did, where it brought you up, suspend you since on the 13th of this month. Today now, 15. Since on the 13th. You not come out, come apologize publicly. Make we the presenter or maybe those in the diaspora join you apologize. Instead, you look there like shit, say like they're not rich. Even they do video, they share a more gift where they give you for UK. They showcase gifts like Peking where they buy biscuit they give. Gifts to take spoil your future career. You think say na better things that they give you. The stupid set of people where they clap hand for you, you think say that they encourage you for good. Now they want your downfall. Whosoever go clap for you for these things, you don't know what in this suspension mean and because to you. Because now this suspension be to you. For the now, it look like charge play to you. The time when you go to get the penalty of this suspension, you go look like drama for your face. All those expire Igbeaga where they leave from Italy, migrate, go UK. Then they buy you gifts. Then they encourage you for inside your via where you did so. Ebony. And the truth, you think say na presenters will not hear the other side. Then they follow you, they fight. They shout, they saga for your matter. You think say na better life you did. When house drive you, I go see who you go meet. Now house they stand for person, get there. Where person go they make man for life. When person go they say no shaking, nothing they happen. If your house abandon you, what by dino? Just they look the kind of lifestyle where all these others Oyogo, they live for Europe. Because I don't say now Europe you want more relax put now. Don't they try now renew, you can't renew your visa now. We know. You understand? At least you can't renew your 6 months visa now for UK. You understand? Maybe they grant you hope. No matter what, are you mudia? I can't remember. I better I used to see or one I better. You understand? Wano warewe bonogi miami wane ni doze ne Nigeria ni miami wane. Wa mie boni wa adele gift wa adele ibaba shoe mo ba ibata wa adele viole no wu magun yi. Ovie vie no ro egbe na wa magwe zi o. Nu wa gwe la dian we no ya ahimi ya. Hiye o ha ni kari agege wu wa o tu wa huyo boni wa gbekie boni. Wa gbe kare wa gbe destiny oge boni but wa oge tu wa huyo boni. Ita mwa edo isi agbon. Ara soge do edo odion edo ga yebe sogo wa edo ye odion. Ami mi na ya gi edo. Ga ogure e potoki wo hu agboje wa san yo sare live video be da e common. Wari wa. O wa mama poru ugbo e ogie mama o. Dolo wa weji ukere mi gari oyi. Ebony Adam yo. O wik me abokpa ya boss your man day or gbari sene bagitine. You need to go and apologize to them. Look for people that will help you to beg those elderly people so that they can call off your subscription. Your subscription, I mean a subscription, I mean on suspension. You understand? I'm not the joint button. I'm not the joint button. If you do well, we're going to use on the chat. Oh, Barry, do ya? Oh, on go. I had work with you. Uni menuni Emma Sandra, Uvabola, Usungu Sandra MK, be a gamo. Ashi wele. Usungu wagon. Walk, my boy, walk by your view. If we are one of Italy, why are you came? What better UK? There we have in Manchester. I will Italy Association. I was will I should fake a I will quarrel. I will quarrel. Neguemu. I will Neguemu. What less of that why I? Why have from a single mother you can walk soon wagon. I will be a gano. Nusungu. That will know that will do none you ya de cut wood ya wally ho say. A cut wood ya wally ho say. Nasa bringing ladies or something for this issue. Who vibe wa? I bet you know how everybody got we have start back come see once the industry. Nusungu wagbon. Wag be wa mu dan. Wa de na te koko wa ati ororo. DJ body wa ye ti ye de body ni. Dan wa ya deli bata Alibaba Express shoe gear. Abu agozo ozo mani rewo boku. Mani leso shobi na my day no sunu. Amari ya no sunu ba. Wa de kede mota ye wa nu wata. Even when on the deba, kede mota wa ye no ra wata. Straight. Everybody is strong. All you ready me na. You do that young where I'm the richest presenter. That means I presenter ni ke director with no give me not be massive because a presenter anybody can be a presenter. I'm more like a presenter. I mean, you know what you funny for that. You don't present with that one. On my normal way, action, stand here, court, DOP. On my only that one is different. This is the industry where they brought you up to become an actress. You understand? When you are trying to bring your industry down, you're supposed to be praising your industry. You might understand in your wow. Okay, can we are advert in industrial way? People, Ehan's supposed to be proud of you. Ehan's supposed to be proud of you as a celebrity. Okay, can I mean where Ebony we Latvian we go and industry wa? No. Now they get money, they get do, they get. Oh, you might need to tease you, my sister, because no, you know, always want to be understand? Abba said nothing will happen. Where we have a live video, man. You understand? Or for Coco, we know the story. So I'm not come here can't tease you, but wait now I can't beg you. I can't here can't beg you. You understand? May you go beg your hand. Go apologize to them. May they call off your strike. If you like, may live video presenter. Mona chat tonight tomorrow. Mona saga tonight tomorrow. What they don't do, they don't do. You dey feel me? Wetin they don't do, they don't do. Wa tell what time we go now. Wa tell what time yan. Why got boy me down? Ebony is wrong. She's wrong. She should go and apologize to Ehan. You understand? I personally called them today. I called them and I hear what they told me. You understand? Yesterday I didn't call before I came out yesterday, and I was angry. I slept over. I said, no, let me call. I want to know where. If if no any judgment now, those people did the right thing. If when I watch when this saga they go on, when easy, where they do all this saga, I said something. I said, you people are not bringing down yourself. You are bringing down Ehan. You are humiliating Ehan. That was what I said in my video. And before I started to disgrace all those guests, all those